Welcome to the world united. Welcome to the world united.
So on that note, I accept all the blessings and good wishes from all the speakers. Varun, you would like to say something? Please go ahead.
Yeah, good morning, everyone, and it's good to see everyone here, and uh, that that all of us have made time uh, to come together on one platform itself shows the oneness. Yeah, that everybody is on this higher frequency, and as you all have been saying before, Yugandhar has been saying is once we reach that critical mass, then the change will happen. Yeah, and I'll just give you a small example of this oneness because when we were in school, actually, uh, Ramnand was like a massive hero for us. Yeah, and we would follow his every move, his every save, and every heroes. And I think Ramnand was one with football, and we were one with him. And that for me actually exemplifies oneness. Yeah, when you lose yourself in what you love. And I've seen Dr. Mahendra Puchardkar. I've not seen him in the surgery, but I've seen him playing cricket, and I can say the same thing about him. he just loses himself in that moment. Yeah, and that for me actually is oneness. uh, and I think the world is reaching this point where transformation is needed, and all of us actually become these transformers. And for our part, uh, like I'm mostly into music, uh, and for me, music is the way, is a channel to transform lives. Yes, because music has this higher vibration which can remodel each one's vibration. Yeah, and which can give you that balance, and 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 that and that oneness, as Dr. Yugandhar said, the oneness starts within yourself. Yeah, so we need to first balance each cell in our body, and that happens, like for me, as for myself, I would say the music balances me. Yeah, the music balances my vibration. And as we've been seeing, we have a foundation called Rise Nation Army, and we go to these schools and colleges, and this music unites us with every kid. Like in every school, there are 2-3 thousand kids every morning that we all of us are on this one vibration. And for me, that is oneness. Yeah, if all of us can come into this higher elevation and and take the like our slogan is rise as one. So that's what we tell each kid, that all of us are one and all of us are going to rise as one. And I think this is the motto of this summit, and I hope each of us can be transformers, and I hope of each of us can take the message to everyone that we meet. Thank you, all of you all, for making the time, and I
Thank you,
value
Varun.
one of you all. I value each one of you all.
Thank you, Varun. We would love to
Thank you, Varun.
collaborate with Rise as One. Thank you, Varun. Varun has been very busy with the carnival and stuff like that. So I'm grateful that he's joined early morning. Maybe he's not even slept for an hour. But thank you so much, Varun.